So we are going to add the depth at which we have the sand. So we are putting in the sand control, and we can put our sand control at 1600. So we have to remember to put in the inner diameter of each one of these, because if we don't put it, then we shall not be able to view it. So what is the inner diameter, outer diameter of our ESP? You can use 4, and then we can use 3. These are rough figures from my head, so you have to follow the program. So the pump rod can be using 3.8, and then this is 3. Sand control can be up to 4.2, and then this can be up to, actually this has to be 4.2, and then this can be 4.8. 4.8. So we are having a problem with the screen, the outside coupling. So whenever you get challenges, you always get this red color. You have to come in and check what the problem could be. So it is telling you that there is a problem with the string. They are saying the coupling inner diameter for one of these has to be something less. So we come and check which one is in red, which is the tubing. So we click on the tubing. So basically that's how we input our strings. Thank you for this. We are going to end here. I'll be sharing data that you use to put in the string. Thank you.